Hi guys, today I'm showing you how to clean your injector in your car. So injector is located in here. Okay guys, we take it out the injector rail. You can see the injector tips. It's a little bit bad, it's not completely blocked. So I show you how to work this on the car. You can plug it, you can see it now, all for how it's working. Okay guys, I hooked the injector cleaner machine in here and put the two wire in the injector. That doesn't matter is the positive or negative. So then I put took a bigger hose in the back. So then you have to ease to clean it. So then after I put the positive in here, so you can hear the noise. Okay guys, you can see the injector I clean properly. We need to do all the 4 injectors clean like this. The back side, the filter inside is also clean. Okay, after that we install all the injectors to the rail. Then you have to put back the injectors. Okay, again 2 12mm bolt in here, one in here, another one in here. Okay, here's the fuel rail connector. Put it back in, go and slide it. That's it, all good. Okay, all good. Injector is already installed. No any leaks. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one.